So today's on the hike. We are hiking to Stewart Lake, and this time I got company. So we got Ayuni, Ben, and Tachai. So it's good to have company. Are you scared? How is it so far, Ben?
So far so good.
So far so good. Tachai, how was it so far? Good.
Able to catch up.
How about you, Andy? How is it so far? Good.
Ask us in another hour. Then we say, see what we
It's
say.
only 1 hour, almost 1 hour, right? I think.
You mean the whole trail or
I think
what?
like 40 minutes so far.
Now,
So,
now.
yeah, stay pretty fresh.
40 minutes already.
Yeah.
Actually,
So
40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Apparently, he's right now.
Okay.
yeah.
Unfortunately, he was right.
How you guys doing? Good. Are you guys on the way or coming back? On the way. Alright. Alright, enjoy. Take care.
Too, man.
Yeah. Ayuni. It's so windy and cold in this area. And actually very nice. I'm sure I'm at the last pack of the group because I'll be taking video and take my sweet time. Here they are. Is it cold? I don't know how the f do you survive, but I had to test you first. It dropped from that high. That high. So you have to use that tree. It's big, but luckily it was light to push it down and it dropped all the way here. And the battery came off and it fall. And surprisingly, it was still alive. So yeah, if you guys wondering if this thing is rugged or tough, just know it survived that thing just now. Thanks to Ben for helping me getting my drone.
A fish around here. Boleh selfie oh.
Yeah.
Hold on ah, jangan jatuh.
Hi Ben.
Oh,
Be careful.
this box is moving.
It's video by the way.
Oh, okay.
Fancy stick. And here's my stick. Stick is nice. Here's my stick. Civilization. For me, short 13.25. How was it, Ben?
Very good.
Very good.
I ring my good.
Easy peasy.